What's going on, guys? I'm Ben.
I'm Chris.
And this is Colossal Car Builds. And today we take a look at my 2016 Camaro SS.
See, I'm driving Ben's 09 Mini Cooper JCW. The reason for that is because earlier you saw Ben got his Camaro back. The file was damaged introducing the vehicle. So without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into working on it. We'll see you guys there.
And we decided to install the axle back that I just got for the Camaro. So I got this for a pretty good price. As you can see, it is used, but I got it for about half of the price of the new one. And Chris, if you want to hold that up for me really quick. As you can see, this is busted a little bit, but I don't really care. I just want to get it on there, see how it sounds, because I need to figure out if I am going to go with this for now or if I'm going to get an axle back. So we're gonna get this mocked up, see if we like it. If we do, I'm gonna get another tip for it, and we should be good to go. All right, guys, so Chris is about to make some cuts.
Death wheel.
Death wheel. All right, so Chris just took the flap disc and he sanded the, he made the edges a little bit smoother, and hopefully it's going to be a little bit easier to put these guys on. So we are going to put these on now, and
guys, there you have it. That's how Ben's new exhaust on his 2SS Camaro sounds. I think it sounds quite nice. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you feel like subscribing, go ahead and do it. I hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.